If you want to know how to post a GIF on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly find the perfect GIF and share it in a post. This is super useful whether you want to react to something, add personality to your content, or make your posts more engaging. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X on your phone or computer and go to the Post Composer. This is the area where you normally write a new post. On mobile, you may tap the Compose button to start a new post. On desktop, click the post box where it says what's happening. Once the Composer is open, you're ready for the next step. Now look for the GIF icon. This is usually located along the bottom of the Composer with other options like adding media, polls, or emojis. Tap or click the GIF icon to open the GIF library. This library gives you access to a huge collection of animated GIFs that you can use in your post. Next, use the search bar to find the kind of GIF you want. Type in a keyword related to the emotion, reaction, or topic you're looking for. For example, you might search for happy, funny, excited, celebration, or reaction. X will instantly show you matching GIFs, making it easy to narrow down the perfect one. Once the results appear, scroll through and choose your preferred GIF. Take a moment to make sure it fits the tone of your post because the right GIF can make your message stand out and feel more engaging. After you find the one you want, simply click or tap it to add it to your post composer. At this point, your GIF is attached and ready to go. You can add any extra text you want above it or leave it as a GIF only post if that's your style. When everything looks good, click post to publish it. In just a few seconds, your GIF will be live on X for your followers to see. And that's all it takes to post a GIF on X or Twitter. It's a simple process once you know where the GIF button is and how to search for the right animation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.